Welcome back to UAV drone design. In the last tutorial we created the camera, and then now we're just going to add some decals. Also, I wanted to show you how to add some decals to this body. We're going to add probably about two decals, and then and then we're going to move on to our parts, the camera parts, and make some final adjustment to it, and go over to assembly and put them together in an assembly, all the plane, and see how everything functions. Okay, so basically, if you want to add decals, you just head over to your display manager, and here you have normally it's like that, but it's right here. You can just click on the decals, and then you make a right click, and then you press add decal, and then of course your decals have to be PNG if you don't want a background. And to create a PNG, you can just come over to this software. It's called Inkscape, and in Inkscape you just insert any image, and then once you insert it, you come up here and then you select path, trace bitmap, and then you select here remove background, update, and once you've done that, you can just export that as to your desktop, and then press export, and then you have your PNG. Okay, so I already done that, so I have my stickers here. But if you want to add another sticker into this window here, you have to do is browse, and then go to the desktop, and then you just choose your decal. Let's choose this one, and then I haven't made this PNG yet, but let's choose this one, and then I'm going to say open, and then you come over here and then you say save decal, and then you come back here to the desktop and you save it to your desktop, because here you chose the desktop to you taking your stickers from your desktop. So you save it to your desktop, and once in your desktop it will show up in here. Okay, so the sticker that we just added in. And once you add your stickers in, of course it's not PNG yet, so we're not going to choose that. What we're going to choose is this sticker here. So we're just gonna grab it, and we're just gonna drop it onto this face. Just press OK, and then you come back here in the decals, just grab that and they drop it on the face, and that shows up. But then you have a black background for now. So let's get our view normal to profile, and then if you have a look at our drone picture here, it's not that big. It's probably it's a bit higher this way, but it's not that big. So we're going to just move it around, and of course you can get it into size. Basically this is the right size, I think. I'm just going to eyeball it, and it's probably about up here. And to make it transparent, but it's already transparent background, but because it says no mask, it's with the black area here. So what you want to choose is use decal image of a channel, and that will make it what we're looking for. Okay, so that's one of the sticker. I'm going to press OK on that. So that's good. And then probably I don't have any of these lines here, but let's see what can we add to add these lines, and maybe add text. I'm not too sure, but I'm not going to add these here. Just going to add my decals. So let's add another decal, and let's see if we can add this decal here. Okay, and then we're just going to add a normal to profile right here, and we're going to get it about the same size as the other one. right? Something like that. Let's have a look at our picture. It's after the wing. Is it lower or is it higher? Is it the same height? Probably somewhere around there. And then maybe it's a little bit bigger, something like that. Okay, let's move it out a little bit. Okay, that's about right. And I'm going to choose use decal as a alpha channel. Press OK on that, and I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, let's see what can we add to these to the bottom of these wings. Maybe we got something here. So let's go to decals. Let's go to logos. There's not much here that we can use, but anyways, I'm happy with that. I'm not going to add anything here. Maybe in the future I add the numbers. Okay, so I'm just going to add these decals to the other side, and then we're going to jump over to our camera part and work on that. Okay, see you then.